So next will be center diameter. Okay, I'll just invoke the center diameter. Okay, so you'll notice here in the command line, specify center point of circle. So I'll just click anywhere in the drawing area. Okay, let's say here. Then you'll notice the inputting values of 575.423 is dimension from the endpoint up to the other endpoint of the diameter. So this inputting value will be your diameter. Okay, so I just type in, say here, specify uh, radius of circle or diameter. So diameter, so specify diameter of circle. So let's say 100. Okay, and then I'll press enter. Okay, so this circle now has a diameter of 100 and a radius of 50. So I'll just repeat the process. Center diameter. Okay, and then specify the first center force of circle, and then you provide the diameter, let's say 1000. Okay, enter. Okay, so this circle now has a diameter of 1000 and a radius of 500.